In this short tutorial, I will tell you 6 package managers for Windows that can make it easier to install apps. Setting up a Windows 11 PC involves installing numerous apps, which can be time-consuming without package managers. These tools simplify the process. 6. Ninite is perfect for beginners with its GUI-based interface. Just select apps from the website and it installs them cleanly. 5. RuckZuck offers a GUI and a command line option, hosting over 600 apps. It's a versatile choice for software installation. 4. Scoop uses buckets to organize portable app installations, making it easy to move and manage software on any PC. 3. Chocolatey has a vast repository of over 10,000 packages, offering detailed app information and community support. 2. WinGet, built into Windows, supports Microsoft Store apps, offering extensive options without additional installation hassles. On the top is UniGetUI, integrates multiple package managers into one interface, providing an all-in-one solution for diverse software needs.